Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, and this is the Boston Whaler 27 Vantage. This boat's in the showroom here, nice and cool. Come by and check it out. Twin 250, that's the white Mercury outboards on. This is the 4-stroke, super quiet, super fuel efficient. You've got rod holders back here on the back. Nice thing about this 27 Vantage, it's not just a cruise around boat, it's a fishing boat too. So you'll see all the seating that's in this particular boat is great for just going out on a dinner cruise, going skiing, pulling tubes, but also a great fishing boat too. And that's where it starts out with these rod holders on the back. Boarding right here, we've got a freshwater shower. Look at the size of the back seat on here. Really nice, high back support. Comes well out on your thighs. Great back seat. If you're fishing, just fold it away. You've got an onboard battery charger on this boat. Wet bar over to the starboard. Look underneath here. Got a great slide out track with a cooler on it. Another fishing feature that this boat has is underneath this seat right here, you lift up this seat and you have a live well right there. Look at the versatility of this seat. It's a great seat that Boston Whalers come out with. If you want to have a forward-facing lounger, you can have that, or put that down. And you have an aft-facing, or just a bed there. Or you've got seats forward and back if you want it that way too. One thing to notice on the boat, this is the exterior, the color of this boat. So that's the hull color if you look at the bottom of the hard top. Nice roomy head with a real marine head in it. So nicely finished off down in there. Easy to get into. I'll just show you real quick. I'm 6'3". Look how easy I get in here. So it's definitely a usable head. Well-appointed dash, plenty of room for your GPS chart plotter, multifunction display, beautiful captain's chair with a flip-up thigh-rise bolster, and plenty of room in the dash, in the bow of the boat. Again, this is Boston Whaler's 27-foot Vantage. This is at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. I'm Grant. Give me a call today.